People, welcome to Luxury Media TV. Man, now this platform now the trend for Nigeria now. This GMG platform. I'll be leaving link on the description if you want to join this platform. But this platform is pure Ponzi. It's pure Ponzi. This type of platform don't last long, and don't ever invest huge on this platform, because anything can happen. But people are making money every day from this platform. People are making serious money on this platform. So me, I joined. I put 70k and I've recovered it, and I'm still taking my gain. So the people that joined earlier on this platform are the people that are making it. So if you come to this link, you see. If you come to this link, my network is poor. I have a very poor network. You see everything here. So as you can see, you can invest. It's mainly for Nigerians. You can invest 2,000, you're having 500 every day. If you invest 4,000, you're having 1,000 every day. If you invest 8,000, you're having 2,000 every day. This platform is let me say, it's giving about 25% of what you invest. If you invest 15,000, you'll be getting 3,750 every day. Just in 4 days, you will recover your money. If you invest 30,000, you'll be having 7,500 every day. So that's how it goes. So I will put link on the description for any smart person that wants to join. But I'm not guaranteeing you anything about this platform at all. It's a pure Ponzi. It does not last long. As I'm seeing this platform, it will not last long. So anybody that wish to invest, you have to be careful. Look at this one. If you invest 600k, you'll be having 150,000 every day. So now, so we see them. I say make I share with my followers. Now in the trend now, full everywhere. Many people don't join. If you go to their Telegram group, you see almost 100,000 members already. So that is it. Then if you want to recharge on this platform, you click on recharge. Then you click on the amount you want to recharge. Maybe 70k. You click on recharge. They will bring account number for you. They will bring account number. As you can see, look at what they did. They brought account number. They wrote to Wema Bank. Then you copy the account number. You make transfer. After making transfer, you click on reconfirm payment. Once it is done, they will credit your account. Then you come back. Once you come back, you click on, you see invest of 70k. Since you paid 70k, you see 70k. Then you click on invest.